Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to set up multiple accounts on MetaTrader 5 on your Windows PC. To begin, open the IS6 Technologies MetaTrader 5 terminal on your computer. Once MT5 is open, click on the Accounts tab in the Navigator window. In the Accounts area, you will see that you are already logged in to an account. To add multiple accounts, go to the File menu at the top left corner of the window and select Login to Trade Account. In the Login window, enter your login ID in the Login field, your password in the Password field, and select the correct server from the server drop-down list provided by IS6FX. After entering all the details, click the OK button. You are now logged into multiple accounts. In the Accounts area, you will see all the logged-in accounts. Congratulations! You have successfully set up multiple accounts on MT5 on your Windows PC. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!